What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys and my people. I'm gonna run through the intro quick and fast. We have Shibada, you know what I mean, we have Figure It Out, we have GX, we have TikTok Liar, we have a bunch of things to share my people. So make we get in right now quick and fast, but not talk too much in that one here. So we run through it.
The pink background in my head, they call police. I don't like that. The man now let them pipe behind. A Rosealee one. Funeral in the night. What kind of funeral at the night? In chat? What funeral in the night? No, they thought that when the young people they thought that for no buy Bible, no buy pipe. Me, notice how me, Annie and Rosealee and them people they can't fall off. Cause you know if you do to keep the internet moving. Want to get the internet where them want to, remember me tell you can't broke. Cause when you make up things and them look at something that always keep people on your page. Keep your page trending. People are always up on your page. Every day has something new. And so Annie and the Emma never people like you got tune in cause no one for sue or go on. Which is nice cause at least you have some people where can entertain you or something. Sometimes some people just depend on you for just begging, they don't have no little entertainment body. They just sit down and beg. Them you call real streamer, just sit down and beg. They would not even play two little song and bubble. I lie, you have some people on TikTok, you know. They would even play two little song and bubble, then just beg, then just dry eye. Sit down and beg. When them click for them live, you know they're not chatting them, they're not chatting or stream them a stream. I should get one. I forgot to get one something there, guys. I forgot to get one. You all truck for carry out them garbage after me. Them big box there. I have to throw them box are too big. Thank you, my love. See what you for now. Não para sair internet ya. Camera. Camera then. I take them this, you know. I mean, I have no, I have to put you on.
So my people, let me know what you think in the comment section, because when you hear Ivany say the machine can't be for Jakes, I must for Rosealee. You see me? And by right, a Rosealee property depend. So make you watch some more.
Too much madness I go up on the internet. Too much madness I go on. I just have to come on.
True or false? Rosealee called CDA pan her picnic them, and we should not turn one and blame who? Me and she. Look how long Rosealee there yard. Come, cause we gonna map out all of this. Look how long Rosealee there yard. Come here Rosealee pan her live and say, And the person, because she incriminate Jakes, I'm going to tell you this. Police lock up Rosealee and Hakeem. Police must lock up Rosealee and Hakeem. May I tell you this? All along Jakes leave the yard, all along she upset, all along she this, all along she that. Why is Jakes gone now? Jakes, if Jakes is a man with smart, he would not bury anything in a Rosealee yard. Even if him going to Rosealee yard, we go catch up on the water. The last time him going there, we go fix our internet. Everybody in the world knows that Jakes going to Rosealee 10 apartment, true or false? Everybody knows that Jakes going to Rosealee Castle. And you see social media are going to be the death and the cause of Rosealee. I'm tell you that social media, she's going to incriminate somebody and they are going to go straight for her now. They are going to go straight for her. Now, ladies and gentlemen, since Rosealee wants to say is Jakes matic, me analyze the situation from the outside. Knowing myself from the outside, let us analyze the situation from the outside. Jakes move out, you running, he did move out. Then you think the man will walk with a matic and lock it in a yard when you know handsome gunman coming there. Then for him running at the yard with the man, if you go dig up the Walter PKK Saturday night special and unfair with that Tupsa Desert Eagle. Eh? Tell me the truth now, Nessa Bling. Make that make sense. Let that make sense.
Alright, my people. So here I go on. With this situation where Rosealee you them get take with my people. Me did I say, as you know, hear me say, me feel like say boy, Rosealee have some hand in it certain way. You see me? Me did I say boy, just forget rid of Jakes. You know what I mean? But I just my opinion that still my people is not the facts. You see me? Because I don't know who actually do that because you have a lot of people who don't like Rosealee. So anybody can do it. You see me? So let me know what you think, my people, and make you watch some more.
If any bad man out there with you, if any gun locker were out there, you can't lock gun in your enemy yard and them and watch you for report you. So answer the question now. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. So the same thing when she call upon Jakes, when she try to incriminate upon Jakes, she don't say all evidence point to Hakeem. Because why has Hakeem come the police there by your house staff? Why has Hakeem come in your yard and know you want twist it a liar? You send police at your yard because you want to intimidate Hakeem, what Hakeem buried there. You want to incriminate Hakeem. You understand it? Intimidate Hakeem. You understand for your 800,000. By the hooker, by the cook, I said this, I says, hey, they make police confiscate the matic. You understand me? And Hakeem give back the money. Rosealee, you are a wicked girl. You are a wicked girl, And you rather for push down your baby father for take up a boy who don't want you. But in the long when you say Jakes, if this overwhelm Jakes and Jakes get locked up, Rosealee, it could have taken 20 years. You are going to come and confess. Oh, you tell lie for your baby father for that man. You're evil. I know you want the internet for say TikTok liar. Call police for you. And you said once the lady blind. Make your argument plausible. And you said once the lady blind. So how she see if make call and tell police your address. Everybody say your address all over. Everybody knows say Seaview you live. Your community is all over. But your yard address is not all over the app. So you are lying. You are lying, Rosealee. You are do all of them something to yourself. You are doing it to yourself. And then come across the police them. You're wicked, you know? And when I tell people say you're wicked and this no need glasses, Jakes are beat your bad, Hakeem not pay no mind. So you have to get some attention. Let me tell people say, you know, hey, let me tell you this. Me did argue say before some girls see them man in a better arms, them rather him not here. If them can't get him, nobody mustn't have him. And at that Rosealee player. That is what Rosealee player. And you see Hakeem supporting everything where you do. You see, this is why Hakeem will always be under the bus. Because you see you, before him draw away from you, him keep supporting you. Because now Bonnie and Clyde, Sly and Robbie, Bobby and Whitney, Jay-Z and Beyonce, Amy and the Coke. Yeah, I honor that. I honor that. It's true, they're very evil. Very evil. And when I tell people about mankind, you rush me, you go on the most way, when I say then other things say, the ones who not take taxi with, now wish you not dead and they don't know. I would have ugly girl there, man. Then she shouldn't burn, you know. Just like that. If police come on the scene, it simply means that they got a call recently. Recently. No, the people in my see you not dunce. If you know, say, GX doesn't live there, send police there. The people in my see you not so wicked and stupid. They might wicked, but they're not so fool. And then Rosealee sit up and like, you know, I talk about the person gone. I incriminate GX. I sorry I never saved the screen recording. Eh? When she say, and the person won't know it until the person come back. Now my question is this. Draw back from my life them when I say Rosealee I buy gun. Draw back from my life them. I lie me did I tell. I lie me did I tell. See there? Then prove me right again. Jody D, you were here when we talk about it several times. You were here, Jody D. You understand what I say? Everybody every time I say it. And everybody said, Rosealee go report to him. He might come accuse you. Remember, then all Rosealee knows say it's Jake's own. After many moons he move out. As she asks back for where she buy. If I submit the case, as she asks.
Alright my people, as I say, I don't talk too much, so let me know what you think in the comment section. Make you watch some more.
Back for where she buy him and he will leave it there. It's not Jake's own, it's hers. Rosealee I play a politician. I buy the youths them the steal. Yeah, Rosealee I play a politician. And that's what I talk about. And everybody still look people to blame. And the real desecrator they write this up. Yeah, that is it. Thank you, Professor. That is it. She asked him to leave everything and he leave it. Oh, and she call the cops when she's not there. Look how long she there and police not come. Why has Rosealee leave, police come? I tell you, say, no for only upon the app not right, you know. No for only upon the app not right. Attention she want from Jakes and Akeem. So she use one stone and a little two bird. And me like Jakes, I don't even pay no mind. No mind. The police them to check from how long Jakes leave. Jakes leave the house long time. So why would he? And police are not for a criminal. I come from criminal community, so they know the setup. There is no possible way the man cannot live there. If woman and expose him every chance she get, and him gonna leave him thing there. Or him gonna reach feet when he wants it. Somebody not gonna see him. Why not go feet when she isn't there? These are the stuff we have to think about. Rosealee is intelligent. That's why she can't come and say she use human psychology for the whole of the nastiness. Because when those bad feel bright, it kill education. Now ask you, when those bad feel bright, it kill education. She had tried everything to set up the man because she's not happy and everything to get Akeem's attention. Remember Akeem come and bust it in and said when he went to the house when the kids got stolen, when the rapture came for the kids, and he went to the house, you understand me? Rosealee came in the car and she was there and Jakes walked on same time and she was like, drive now, because Rosealee is an image to prove to the people that must see you are the only place she will feel like she's a superstar. See views, Rosealee is Hollywood, and at that no founder don't know, because if the man genuinely care about you and come check my he doesn't care about Jakes and what Jakes want thing, because if Jakes is even real and gone but he must say, brother, me not in a line, me not depend that, me come check for your baby mother about the kids since me and her is an internet fling. And that's where it is, on the megabytes. You understand me? So we're not depend that. Why would you tell the brother to drive? Because you want Jakes to think something of that. You understand me? You want Jakes to think something of that. And even so when Akin claim to say my carrier go down a liar, whether legally or what, my carrier go down here. Jakes has been calling for information because Akin made a promise to him that whatever information he get, he will share it. You understand me? But you keep building a wedge between them. Why? Why? Akim appeared today, answer the phone and say, baby, answer the phone. You know exactly what you're doing and you're not getting the attention from either party, so you create that situation. You create a monsoon. Yeah? That is a problem. And at that people, you depend, you are the cause of it. You know send nothing in the yard either, and you send police at the yard, and you know nothing is there because they would have go with your sister, your mama. What's the purpose? So when everybody sit down and talk about X, Y, and Z, nothing was there. Nothing was there. Play it again. Which one of them? Yeah. It's true, nothing was there. You're too wicked and evil. You're way too evil, man. You're way too evil. I'm telling people that you're evil. You're pure evil. But people don't understand that you're not only evil, you're mad. People, I tell people, they say, well, yeah, say you're deranged. I tell people every day, such a deranged, and people don't believe. I say she's a mad individual. The what? The last one. She's a mad individual.
All our fans them, the love of God bless her do, come out and campaign against Jakes. Jakes need to go about him business, but I tell you, at England me live. I'm not afraid to say it. If Jakes ever hurt a strand here in a Rosealee head. Remember me tell you, it's like if Papa say a casket to him, I'm going to lie down with and just say, you know what? I'm ready to go leave Earth now.
You see how people wicked? Oh, come by for Jakes while Earth Rosealee. When the poor man a cry, June, leave me alone and go on. How much video the man have out there? Which say, that's why you're way to do, now go by way to do. Because the pandemic argument came up with June, go on. The man has been saying that. You see, me tell you, hey, that's why them girls can't have good relationship with man. Because when them man start there we do now, instead of dirty style wanna have. Then oh, Jakes ever turn to Rosealee? Fantastic. Jakes ever threatened Rosealee? Me tell you this. All Rosealee had this the man from sucking out blood out of panty to licking out body to having cheese on him cocky. You understand me? The man has not said, and this is what I respect about Jakes. He has not said, go in my baby mother nose. You never hear the man say so.
Well, people, as I say, I run through that one, yeah. So Rosealee, no, Shibada also want Akim to leave out Rosealee company. So
all the man they said, don't listen to me that don't, I beg you go away to the don't. I'm going to go on my way because I didn't stop this always do, you know. I didn't stop this always do. I didn't pity them here, I pity them. And you ever hear them big stinking people here? Sit down. She attack what she there at England, she there. She forgot part the war at England. Oh, she forgot part the stab up them from the teenager them. Them love them big and stink and love chat. Them are some dirty enabler. Oh.
You don't have no chance. I'm telling you, you're not gonna have no chance. So I have two personal toys right now. If you don't notice, I fixing the Rose comment section and all me there on Rose said the word.
Listen. Rose on the jump on your life.
Rose, you're not seeing the man. You know what I want to land and then I come down. Please, guys. Now we can't talk over each other. You know, every minute she depend. God bless what I want. I'm going to comment and make the Rose just say the fucking word because they bite the car.
Yeah, you see this? You see this? Police are search out for that woman your cousin them when she have a tower aisle. And a bait as them, you know? A bait as them, yeah. You hear them attack? A bait police are going to search that woman your cousin at tower aisle.
Yeah, the bad them of India, the man them does already. Yeah, that's how
Anything you get clean and deserve it. Anything you
for your life because you put up a screenshot this morning. I'm a commenter as well. I tell you some love that 100%.
This is the support Rosealee get, and when time I pity them get captured and raptured, none of them big stinking girl are never there. They say Rosealee, go get your baby. Now man, police need to investigate them people, yeah. Police need to investigate these people. Yeah, you see how people, no, you see how people lose their life, all because of them stinking people up on the wayside. Yeah, all because of them stinking people here. Them stinking people up on the wayside. Yeah, then you are there. Overseas and practice from here. Look.
Because you don't know me on the ground. No, I'm not Miss I said.
See them. See them. And them people that cause problems. And them people that cause problems. The effigies them overseas. And them people. Where GX looking at the situation. Eh? What GX did in the situation. You see when they sit down there now. I'm gonna take it from top. Now Rosealee always brag about her baby father and post say I want thing she have over enough girl is a man. Alright, fine. Don't in that same relationship the one thing she have over enough girl is a man, and don't she disrespect the man and the app with Akeem. Don't it all seem like fun and joke until she forgot that she has a baby father which she use over many girls on the app. Don't. So the man must sit on this and take them disrespect her from she posing. If it had been Jakes posing with a girl on the app before all of the excitement, everybody that said Jakes had disrespect Rosealee, which would be true. But why Rosealee took to the internet a relationship with her family, you understand me? And dash it in her face and then take up somebody who don't want her, and then una big stinking girl sit down and attack say GX I got hurt Rosealee, and me and una know say if I did not dirty cocky son them and a girl a dog him out, so we need to string up the girl so till she look like violin or guitar. Una said one of that do it. But because disappointment in no hole and the man they will breed, you regret it. And that's why you can't pick up for giveaway. You see big no sweet table mango, that's why you can't pick up for she. Yeah. Oh, Jakes want the Rosealee things, and Jakes a walk from Rosealee, ride from Rosealee, drive from Rosealee and fly from Rosealee. How Jakes want the Rosealee things now? Which part wanna see things Jakes want the Rosealee in a this? When Rosealee incriminate the man while the man overseas, she sent police and own her to incriminate Jakes. I know Jakes want the Rosealee things. Me don't know who go to smartphone, but I want come in her face. I tell you, say if Rosealee cannot get back Jakes, me still on the app and I say, you know what I beat that girl here? When she realized that a man would have going another girl all so said, so done, and the whole of her fall feet because that's so on stay. No man no want to in a man eat on for money in no mother. Uno all is a disappointment to cocky. Uno have the barnyard vagina we walk and curse food. Oh. And excitement, yeah, hype and excitement. Then people are gaffer and want to incriminate Jakes. Me say the things them were mad Rosealee. The things them were mad Rosealee people are this. Me not tell no lie. When Rosealee said the girl would have ugly and the girl would have favor this, More and find that video there if I
idiot. Who have time to go take a this time? Eh? Who will have time?
come and understand the story, huh? But at this I'm a Rosealee. Watch ya, flawlessness at its best. Flawlessness at its best. Rosealee, you know, have that look here. Not even filter can give you a quarter pound of this. Not even filter at this. Make you send police to your yard. This make you send police to your yard. This. Not even filter can help you. Give it up. Throw in the towel. It wet. Yeah, give it up. Yeah. Blessing come in many farms. Go find yours. You're too outside. You want the whole world for them on your side and you're so evil. You're evil. I tell you, say Jakes, get somebody with body and no back. No back. People sit on a plan for the man. You see how life is very funny. Jakes, I do him doing Rosealee Eduardo. First, Rosealee use handsome gunman and chew handsome gunman in a Jake's face. Remember, you have son, you have father, you have brothers. You get what I say? And you use handsome gunman and throw it in their face. So why has Jakes use a woman and throw in your face now? Why is it a problem? Just come out and tell the world, say you're hurting over the fact that Jakes a lead. That's all you have to say. That's all you have to say. Me never want him to lead me because this is my game. You get beaten at your own game and everybody I play blind mice. The lady sent police at her own place. I want to blame TikTok liar. But as she first hear about it, people that automatically hear and talk.
Alright, my people, so here we go on. You see what she bought and say a real thing. You know what I mean? For whatever reason Rosealee do what she do, like with Akeem and run out Jakes and something. She know why she do it, right? But on a level, if him did do it, it would have been big problem. They would have bring him down wicked on the internet. You see me I say, as me say, me don't know whatever reason she do it for. She said the man a cheat on her very long time and she want back a get back, she want back a revenge. So maybe that's why she do what she do. See? Alright. But right now that the man have him woman or something, how machine get involved, how like the officers them get involved, how the man feel left machine at your yard and yarn him no good. See, all you have to do, you know what I mean, if the man left machine at your yard, tell him to come take it up. If him not come take it up, or you come on the internet with it, and if you make the officer them know. This funny to me, my people. I mean, I tell you, say Rosealee right now, it don't look good. It look like say you're bitter. You know what I mean? I want to use any little thing to bring down this man. And if I saw it go for real, Jakes better be careful and move wisely. And the posting a woman and them something there, easy a fight. You know what I mean? Because that only I go add fuel to fire. So people let me know what they think. Make watch some more.
Everybody Rosealee blame. She never do nothing yet from Shaban in her life more than sell nuts. Because look how stupid this operation is. Fine. It was 2 minutes ago. The square red boy, the panel back, split panel back, show her falls. Look at the setup and she said it have no form of relevancy, no form of importance. It's not pertinent to the internet. This is all a ruse. Check it. It was just 2 minutes ago in Aberrine yard. It was just 2 minutes ago in their fair yard too. And she go back a female. 2 minutes ago, them a cut out sewing. And I may tell. Why all of a sudden as they come home you have a temper tantrum? Why? Why? And you want it to be said that you're not getting any attention. You've gotten as much over the weekend. You understand me? That alone, that can't send you spiral. The fact of the matter is this: you don't have no claim, no argument, no content, and you're sitting in your own little shelter because the world gone back to its reality and come out of your fantasy, and you're sitting in your own little shelter. So, and you say, "Watch me gonna mash up the internet." Remember, you and Diamond plan to cause pure chaos on the app. Remember, you and Diamond plan to cause pure chaos on the app. Now, after Handsome Gunman send you home, it's no longer Handsome Gunman, it's JX. And then you go back to Handsome Gunman again, and then it's back to JX. Remember the little time you come home, and then Handsome Gunman start shun you, and then JX, you and JX now start, because you just start pick many arguments with JX. You come and you tell lies, say JX no need no money, you come and you tell lies, say they pick them hungry, take back all the money from the picnic, then you cuss and you go and read about, because no one paying you any mind. When Handsome Gunman is not beside you, you feel worthless. You don't have the JX card in the background because you're a girl who have to work with props. And always remember, say, you and Diamond did say, who never cast be ruckus on the app. Remember, and that's exactly what you're doing. Now, Rosealee, back to the police then. Why is it that you've been home for so long and TikTok lawyer would have choose when you gone a funeral for car police? What does that mean? Make it make sense? That means say you and TikTok lawyer communicate.
My niece.
Channel Rose by car from
No, nope. My niece a lesbian, and my niece and then go party uptown.
So like I wonder if I saw that $800,000 they come.
Me want a screen record if I go for here. Me I say my niece know him, and my niece I tell me to this auntie. I tell you look on the house when you come live. You move, my niece say move.
Well,
please tell me.
Him not too sure the location in the house. I just one place him.
And when my niece
the bed.
Exactly. When my niece tell me say, liar, my niece tell me say she know the far when which part him live. And she say, auntie, when you look on man, and she remember my niece tell me say, she said Rose must be careful. Rose must be careful. My niece tell me.
Russian lady now set up her niece because the lady nobody don't know.
Little girl come from a bomb and go suck out your blood clot, madam. I not set up my niece. Go suck out your body.
You're not angler, so she just
come off of the woman blood clot.
Yeah, me understand. No, me understand what she has said.
But how somebody gonna know her niece? How them gonna know her niece?
Liar, nobody not even know me, girl. Don't come off of me.
Me I tell them.
No, don't come off of us niece.
Sometimes you know if you just listen to him mix up, you know, why not always have to go why not always go deep in the mix up? Just listen to him mix up now, man.
Listen to me, girl. When I live, me a bad blood clot, girl. I'm a niece. Bad blood clot, girl.
So we hear the mix up, I'm not always a deter the mix up.
Boy, I keep my batty ban. You might figure it out. I'm not even come from, girl. Be a gunshot fire. What the fuck do you know?
You know what poor clean?
What you say?
You know poor clean?
What you say? Bad people told me come from. Girl, when me I got Mountain View, shut off fire and no catch me. What the fuck do you? Bad people think this. Yes, I share my blood clot.
Mountain View, you know.
I'll share with the pan like ever be like she tell. Cause right now Mountain View man they want blood clot she. The fuck do you know? Check out the man.
When you can just listen to the mix up and laugh. God bless you get your answer already. God bless you get your answer already.
Yeah, I will do no. I will do no. Nobody can run a file for me. Can run a file. Because I'm busy with that man. I find me.
Okay, I laugh. That Sunday a festive, man.
Yes, my niece tell me, say, girl, auntie, Rose must be careful. Auntie, me don't know Rose food, so I use my Rose use for me. You say this cleaning car business, so say Rose a clean car too. One screen record to go.
Everybody know. Everybody know.
TikTok controversy, how you late? You miss everything. You miss everything.
Nobody can find. Nobody can find out the identity for me or nothing. And if I find out, I care pussy clock. I mean,
So what I can do? No.
What the fuck do no? A gunshot with fire. What the fuck do Me need to tell me everything. Me need to auntie. The horse when they move, God, me no live far. Far when I live. Me need to go party, you know.
You better look at screen recording. You miss everything.
Me need
Liar.
Yeah.
Me no cut your mama.
No man, go and talk, man.
She bada say about this stone ill thing too, you know.
Yes, he never called the name, but he tell me about the man at Stone. And I said the car belonged to the man for true. Him did tell me that. But he just never called no name.
No, he no call no name. Hey, Shibada, I get something there, you know. People are tell Shibada things.
Of course.
Anything I hear Shibada company internet and talk, or it goes so.
Yeah, but Shibada say true. Me niece know them good. Me niece are driving a blood clot Akim car. Akim a batty blood clot boy. Man, figure it.
They wouldn't know that.
Batty man. So them can't get on live but jump up and a prayer. For them prayer can't catch me anytime me don't talk today. Come I tell you say liar, no joke. Me niece say auntie, the man take when care did that day. I like a big man fucking batty. Man, take when the car away from maybe that's why I was taking the picture from off the wall. It was no exact what's going on.
But today no. But today me tell you say today no. Is a big thing that we go on today now. We never supposed to know, you know, and probably Jake is supposed to be home today
God
now.
Not sleep.
And God not sleep. God put a wrench in a them plan. That's why she and Akeem chat. Listen, chat. That's why she and Akeem come out and act like them a war and then and deal. You know, see them a set up everything, man. And God put a wrench in a them plan. You know, see God put a wrench in a them plan, man. Because they never know say Jake's are gonna fly out. They never know say Jake's are gonna fly out. God put a wrench in a them plan. Yes. So she come yesterday like she and Akeem. Oh, me not do no series. Me not fear nothing. Me not this.
Some people, and that's why Rosealee been a talk about this move, me can this, me can that. She already buy her house for people and already has set it up and move. Already maybe put in all of the furniture them and maybe just go her whole yard, go do her life and gone back her house when she ready. People, just don't start. But how them feel like you can't really hide as a public figure. You can't hide. How you feel hide? You know what I mean? The people are gonna know your movements because they know you. People, me know the thing, me could watch some more.
Me on that. They come like she and Akeem at odds. And then today all of a sudden police, much 6 van load of police, they see you pan house stop. All kind of thing I look for Jakes. Yeah, a plant she stop her baby father. A planting chat, a planting.
On TikTok. Yeah, the best on TikTok. Akeem can't follow me up. I mean, make
a planting and the plan backfire.
Alright, my dear.
Oh, me I say straight. Akeem can't follow me up. Then can't always go on TikTok or search me. Then can't follow me up. I find my blood clot live. Me have links. Akeem a pussy.
We hear all about the man with that carrot when I see you with you. Me get all the man name with that carrot when I see you with you. He get man for carry him in a sea view. Akeem get man for carry him in a sea view with you. Chat is a set up thing. In PM way for go in a sea view with you. Chat in PM way for go in a sea view with you. It's a set up thing.
Yeah.
Akeem, just go and see if you go park up no car with you. In PM way for go in a sea view.
And a bike he went right go over the pan to a liar, no car.
No, he drive a blue car one time. No, the car did out there too. Yes, in PM way for go in a sea view with you. You know, just go in a sea view, go a Rose yard with you. In getting pass for go in a sea view. In getting pass for go in a sea view. In
I am
pain way
a
in.
father back at Akim. I don't know bodyguard. I mean, niece, auntie, and not no fucking bodyguards.
Alright,
Everybody know them love bodyguards.
don't bother with that in the chat. Who that name still the making? Who name so? Who she? Who name still in the making at a talk to Blessing? Blessing, who watch the first talk your mother? Who that person there? Now you so bright and me never see her yet.
Jesus Christ.
Who that person there, Blessing?
Like your boat. I mean like Hakeem and brother.
You really didn't like him, sexy fatty?
Yeah, but you know, so me and father Hakeem from him there with where the girl in him, Bima.
So we at the sexy fatty. When you see start disrespect Jake just so.
Yeah.
She said she did like him.
No.
She said she did like him.
Mister, me did like him.
No, a lot of people say they didn't like him when they didn't know him on Facebook and wherever. A lot of people say they didn't like him. A lot of people, I know she alone said she didn't like him. A lot of people say they didn't like him.
I mean,
I like him before, but me I say when me get to not like him, I went time listening start disrespect Jake for no reason. I see him enable Rose for the go on with herself.
Yeah. At that time, my mind changed from him.
Yeah. As even in first month, I subscribed to him. And when me see when really
me tell her said ain't the man go get the man go find people and pay we go if you go in a see view or something with him and Rose that set up chat. In pay we if you go in a see view.
But remember
I know who you pay. Akim, we know who you pay if you get in a see view.
But remember, I know we all have things that we don't even talk about. Remember, so this boy when him true believer, I know. Remember, so Rose make then go back him up, you know.
Yeah, remember that.
And it would have been the same people them
who like him.
She make link. Me not like him neither. But I would like same people them who should have make Hakeem get linked with.
Me I say
no, Fatty. Me I say, oh, Hakeem gone in a sea view, just gone park up car so. No man, he can't do that. Something in a something. I go on like he own the town. So chat.
You afraid that Jake, you know? You afraid that Jake.
In PN way if you go in a sea view, where there? That thing do.
Yeah, and the nice it was it true. Even when he just come from TikTok and him did there me don't know if I want hotel and him did eat breakfast and him something. But a friend them time that when in there with was Batty name did I call upon him. But me still well like because I know say the people them love tell lie upon people. So after now me I get to find out say yeah. True.
Lord, so beg me just to reach the amount of go look on the FYP. Go and go look on the FYP and I pay drama today. Police 6 van load of police got Steve you and Rose come to tell the people them liar we bust up people and Rose. So Rose is over there cuss. And if you cuss Rose and tell Rose say remember say Yanderica matey. Remember say Yanderica matey that she belly for Anjo. Go on the FYP and come back. Rosie come to tell we liar, we have to bust up people and Rose. Rose try to set up Jakes. Rose and Hakeem want to set up Jakes. Yes, and we have to bust up people and them. They not set up Jakes. They not do it.
You know what me did I say to me I say imagine Jakes come from Seaview. Cause me say them Hakeem them did step to him, you know.
Lie.
So me
People, let me know what to think, make you watch some more.
say imagine Jakes come from Seaview and then man out of Seaview come step. That me did I say to my say me say no, you look at not done no there Seaview.
You say not be away me there.
Be a line come tell pan TikTok. Be a line.
Okay.
The boy go. Me tell me everything. Me say auntie when we go party. So she said she have I think she said she was sending. She said anything else send you can give me man. The boy dress up in a dress. I dance like a girl. Cause like I'm take fucking body.
Glam shot, glam art.
Boy, oh boy, sometime it's hard, bro. You see, let me tell you what the biggest problem. Media. Social media. Cause even me get to things a screen recording I say, but my case is when me I say we can't throw each other under the bus. You understand? We can't, we're supposed to help out each other, we're supposed to work together. Them not think that we're supposed to do. You see it, every single day is a new screen recording. Una said this from Una said that. You see me, remember, you know, at the 4 with them against, you know. You see it, what we did for their work together, bro. You see me? Work together against the pussy them out there, so we never have no good for say. That type case, you know. You see what I say? Yeah, bro. If everybody just could have just, you know. Cause the only thing we're doing is positivity, you know. We not do mix up, you know, bro. We not do mix up, dog. You see that series, bro. That series was for something, boy. We help people mentally and physically. You know how much people out there were stressed out, dog, where a series where 4 we create together, bro. Change and help whole heap of people for just feel better about themselves. You know how much relationship it fix. Yeah, my dog. So it's a case of when I see thing I mash up, bro, and I see thing I go sideways, dog, it pain me out, dog, cause we create powerful, you know. You see what I say? We create powerful, bro. You see it? I not go around on a thing, man. The series are one of the biggest thing we ever introduced to TikTok, dog. You see it? But what? You see bad mind and that thing that we call peer pressure, bro. Peer pressure real, bad mind real, dog. You have people who have limits. You see me? There's only so much where one person can take, dog. You see what I say, bro? Yeah, dog, no care how aggish them seem, no care how them talk, no care how them behave, bro. Remember, everybody a human being, dog. And there's only so much where them can take. You see what I say? You know me rate Rose, I came and my brother, I stand with my brother right through. But Rose is an individual and me rate. You see what I say? Giving too much to social media, sis. You see it, sometimes the things that them say, it burn me too. But we just have to know, say, yo, we not have to pay that no mind. You see me? Cause if we get up every single day, bro, I will give in to where them bad mind pussy all over yourself, you say. The whole of our series mash up. The one enjoyment of, bro, look how long we are in for. 5 fucking months. 5 fucking months. If I something negative with that, you know, think that would have shelled down a long time. That would have mashed up a long time, bro. If it was a case where you're watching them, or something negative we do, it would have mashed up a long time. You see what I say? But what we do, bro, what we do, dog, is so positive way. It thing end up go worldwide. You see me? I'm so bro. I so know with the allegations them again. But me and the dog. You see me? I realize that, bro, oh no, nah, stop. But let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You see, from me say God youth, no pussy not test me. Me so now come with a whole heap of evil thoughts, whole heap of things, bro, for try to turn people against with that. Cause we not trouble, no, we not follow up. People fear what they don't understand. You see, because you know so we're bigger and better than you know, that's the reason why we don't fight so hard, bro. For just mash up the 4 with that. You see me? I'ma tell myself, say, bro, no matter what, me and them girl then nah argue. You see, even if we are left off, we want left off on good terms, respectfully. You know what them look away there, bro? So if me and Rose people stay, so I say, alright, then we are go different ways. More know say yo upon a good term. You see me? Almost less we say alright then. Watch I know the series kinda get played out now and the series kinda get bored. You see it, I could call it quits. That are the only way. I don't want we are left off on a bad part. You see me? At least one something we must can change, bro. Everybody we share them mash up, dog, is always a case bring down each other. We must can split ways on good terms apart, yeah. I know say yo, watch I know. You will respect me and me respect you, save me. You have all heap of love for me and me have all heap of love for you, save me. You see me? I someone want part ways with people, bro. I mean I want to be friend with them today and then we are enemy tomorrow, bro. A joke thing that mean me never rate it from day one. You see me? That's why no matter what, no matter even if Rose and Akeem not talk, bro, it's a case of me I go check up on that girl. You see me? Not because you're my brother not talk, meaning say me for just, you know, do me nothing. You understand? I know woman and man thing, so I don't get involved in that. But me can't just play one pussy and say, yo, I'm going to cut you off and I'm not going to deal with them. I can't do that. I respect you and I rate you in a real life. That's why I ever big you up and I talk good things about you. You see me, because things when I come around here and things when I see. My sister, as a young lady, you have principles, you have qualities. You see it, I just me that make you look like a puppy show. But in a real life, you see true, I know you in a real life, bro. I know I say, yo, you're way better than what people think you is. You see me, I say, chat? Yeah, bro. Them way better than what people think them is, dog. Social media is just a thing where no matter what you do yourself, I ask my dogs. You can't be perfect for people and it got always smash up. Good morning with the people, them wanna deal with. Put up the screen there for me and good morning. But if me could have decided, bro, I just want all out the whole 4 we can unite. You see what I say? Even if we are go ways, bro, and we are go part, make we just left off on good terms. You see me, I don't want a month after, none of we there and we kick off on the media because I that the pussy them want. I that them want, bro. Them want to see we click we live and come cuss each other. We're not doing that. No matter what, we can't do that.
So join. Hello, figure it out.
Yeah, bro, what's up?
What's up? Can we play one official match next month?
Next month?
Yeah.
Alright then, bet.
Okay.
Let's line up the date and something and tell me.
Alright. What's up? I'm okay.
Higgy, how are you?
I'm okay, Ray. How are you doing, Ray?
We're doing good.
And I'm not segment that. As me I said to you, where is? I'm not doing a 4-way right now. Oh, what up the screen for me the chat? Cause bro, the only thing I still know the dog. Double T, morning sis, where I deal with. The only thing I still know the dog I try to set against each other. You see what I say? That's why you see how me stay. I'm tell you. When I come on to Akeem, bro, I not even try for enough up in a dog personal business. You know why? You see, because I know how social media stay, bro. When I realize what I always do chat, I mind my own business respectfully. Cause you go hear them who figure it out bad minding brother, I'm in a dep on them thought there. You see what I say? So it's always a case with dog, you see certain things, brother. I stay out, I not do enough of myself certain way because I code. You will hear them say, oh, figure it out bad minding brother, this, that. I'm in a dep on them thing there with social media. And I lie in a chat. And I lie, bro. The people them over your dog, them
Alright, my people, let me know what to think. I real talk, figure it out a talk still, you know what I mean? Hope I not just more talk, you know what I mean? Because Rose needs somebody to check up on her. You see me? All of that exterior I want to see, the vulgarism and all of them cussing or something. Underneath that, it's a soft butterfly interior. You see me? I say somebody will need love and I use this cussing here to mask all of that. You see me? But me don't know if when the series start, at least Akeem did just say it was a series. It was a series. You know what I mean? Me don't know if him lead on Rosealee if he believes say them can have something extra. You know what I mean? Him treat her good and all these things, but me feel like him should have continued to reassure her, say, yo, this is a series, this is not nothing serious. You see me I say, because right now she get caught up in all of the fantasy my people, and I'm gonna make her hear the woman named Zan something another talk to her, because she sell herself a dream. You see me? Rosealee sell herself a fantasy. You see me? And now she gets stuck in at that. Make me know what to think, make her watch someone, then move on to the next.
Criticize every bumbuckler thing, bro. Everything them criticize over here. Jayden, how you did, my dog? Every single thing them criticize over here, charge. Me I tell you now. That's how you see me as a man, bro. I just stay over here, so I'm big. If my dog link me and my dog say, yo, mab, me could do something. Me say, alright, bro, ropes. You see me? Me nah enough up myself in a certain things, like, cause I know me that. Me nah do it. Cause I realize that for the first day, the good morning, everything phone over here is a competition, and that's not the aim. Before I will never start this to compete with each other, bro. before I will start this for build, expand and grow with thing. You see what I say? You see if you follow up, uno set of dirty people over here, so dog. If you follow up, uno bro, we hate each other like poison. We hate each other like poison. You see me? Yeah, dog. But chat, no matter what, man, I love seeing me. You know, say things not go always pretty. Ups and downs are gonna go on, and everyday people are gonna go. You see? Yeah. But you see, if it's meant to be like what me always say, it will be. If you seriously continue, it will continue. You know? Remember me tell you, know? The seriously continue, chat, nothing can stop it. You see me? Sometimes people just need space, time, and energy to catch back. That's all there is to it, you know. Sometimes I look at space people want, man. Two of them have feelings, bro. A matter of fact, the whole four will have feelings charging. We might not pay attention to what is said on screen recording, but we feel a way when we see it. You see me? So more while them think that cause build up frustration, bro. More while them think they build up frustration, my dog. You know what them look away there? Yeah, you see a couple things and everything just build up in your dog because anger did it. Yeah, frustration. That's why sometimes me I talk to Rosealee, bro. I'm say Rosealee dep on energy. Me no peer in my mind, bro, because I know say 90% of the time. I said, sure, assist that. I go to look at frustration, something going on, our brain are too there. You know them look away there? Me always try to pray the positive in a negative situation. No fight time them wanna try corrupt me against Rose, bro. No fight time. Me soon in the comment section, oh, Rosealee 8 figure it out, you know. You can't see figure it out one this her and tell her go suck her mother. There is no, not one time it thought ever come on my mind for this that girl. Listen to me. I am a very respectable young man. You see me? I don't treat females like animal. No matter what, every woman is a woman. Me have mother, me have sister, bro. So I not practice myself for the. Yes, when it come on to views, clout, I not go style my peers them and bring them down because I want people laugh. You see me? Enough of the time people are text me, yo, be careful of Rosealee, Ray. I may always say go suck on no matter. She have her ways them, bro, but she's a fucking good person when she ready. You see me? Same with Diamond. Two of them have them ways, bro, but them fucking good when them ready. You see it? Me not pay screen recording or social media mind, bro. You see the only time me and one of them girl if you mash up unless them say, yo, watch you know. I hit that right there, so. Me say, mad thing. Mad respect, go on about your business. Me I tell you, bro. You can't follow up screen recording, dog. If you follow TikTok, bro, it turn up on your own appears them. You see me? You all are we a family, bro. We are one. If we are go with ways, we go with ways respectfully. Me would like to see them fix it and good still. I'm not gonna lie, but let's see how it play it out now.
Rosealee, on the other hand, decided to mix business with pleasure. It's as though she played a role that she started to believe, and then she had some challenges because she got lost in a place between real life and fantasy. And you see what I'm saying? She yearned for it. No, guys, a person can yearn for something, you know, but don't know how to handle it, you know, or don't know how to value it or how to appreciate it, you know. Because a lot of people would say, Rosealee just want love. Rosealee had love. Jakes was love. A person who's going to wash your underwear is love. How many of you are dating right now, probably even married, and your husband has never washed your underwear, never touched your underwear? Let's be for real. You have a father, your father has never washed your underwear. Cause like it's a wrong in your household, like, you know what I'm saying? How many? How many of you right now, if you get sick and you're bleeding, your man will take care down there? Like how many of you, when you come from the hospital, the man wash you down there when you're still bleeding? Because maybe you got a C-section and you know what I'm saying, you need some support or whatever. How many of you, your man wash and dry? We're talking. How many of you, your man wash and dry down there? And wash out your clothes them? Some of you, your man don't even brave enough to go buy the powder shop. There are some men uncomfortable with purchasing sanitary stuff. I'm telling you. They are so uncomfortable. There are some men, you can't even prepare their meals when you're having your period. Do you feel what I'm saying? And this man wash your underwear, wash your clothes, always cooking, you know what I'm saying? And women fail to recognize that this man was being abused as a house husband, because women are programmed to only have compassion for housewives. Women are programmed to only have compassion for housewives. So we can't see through Jakes. I go through what we always complain about what women go through. We sit down and we identify it with other women. And we say, oh my God, look at the girl, because the girl can do better. Actually, the girl can't do no better and she don't have no money. Actually, Emma make the money and that's why I go on, so because Emma mind the girl. And she knows that the girl have to depend on it. I say, any day, I say, you know, I don't want she find one better man. So, Jake sent for a bad girl. Mind you, we don't know how that is going to turn out yet. We don't know if she's ideal for the kids. We don't know. We don't care about that for right now. For right now, we think that he deserves the break. We think that he needs that break to enjoy himself. And the only reason we start thinking that way, Rosealee, is because of you. Rosealee, you're the reason we hated Jakes, and you are the same reason we had to stop, rethink, reflect in ourselves and realize our mistake. I don't blame myself. You manipulated me. Yeah, you manipulated me. How did you manipulate me? By sharing this consistent story, one-sided narrative. I don't feel bad like I did any evil to Jakes. I just had disliked him because I felt like he was such a horrible person without even knowing him. And when the incident occurred and after I started seeing your behavior, let me tell you from when like you kind of, you know, shook me up a little bit. When that lady was saying that she's on her hospital bed and she whatever, and you said to her she can send her, if she's up on the deathbed, she will send the money or she'll tell her that for whatever. And I'm like, wow. And let me see her spit off of people or you talk to people and you know, you disrespect one old man or come out to you and you just crash out and go. It's like one thing after the other. It's like you didn't even realize that you were skyrocketing for a fall. You're rising for a big fall. And you shouldn't want to fall, because you know it's going to be a great fall. But you're falling.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. We're going to watch some more because, boy, Rosealee, I don't know if it's my people. Tell me what you think.
You are falling. You're not getting the support that you used to get before. You're falling. The people have lost faith in you because they realize your spirit is ugly. They're slowly realizing that your spirit is ugly. Every day, you let your supporters feel embarrassed because you don't give them any room to be able to defend you and sound like them have any sense. You start letting your supporters feel and look stupid. People who used to advocate for you have to stop and cease advocacy because you're an embarrassment. You're hateful in every way. In every way of the word hate, you're very hateful. And it's such an eye-opener for me, guys. It's such an eye-opener because it's showing you the type of human beings and the time frame we live in. You know that a lot of us are still lost, thinking that we live into the days that our granny raised us, our mother raised us in. It doesn't exist anymore. You better don't raise your kids with that type of nonsense because it doesn't exist anymore. That culture is done with. You better wake them up and re-educate the miseducation and don't be raising them with no certain morals and values. You feel what I'm saying? We're not existing in no time. Because them go take on the picnic them for idiots and take advantage of the kids. You don't see the heart of what exists, you know see? Me never say you have to raise them to be wicked, but you have to raise them to be more firm. Don't raise them to walk with them heart on them sleeve like me and you. Don't bother with that. Well, back then, because I don't walk up along with my heart and my sleeve no more, because I'm learning a whole lot from social media. Guys, I'm watching and I'm looking at people and I'm observing and I'm learning a whole lot on this social media where friend and friend turn enemies. They did have this movie called almost 12 years a slave. Jakes was in slavery for 12 years. After you sit down, lady, and you talk the things them where your baby father, I said, no, sir, I can't support somebody like this. I can't come support somebody what literally. Guys, venting is different from you trying to deliberately disgrace somebody unprovoked. Because so I say venting is a different scenario from you disgracing somebody, defaming them character unprovoked. Meaning so the person who deserve the level the disrespect where you give them never bother you. You just come out unprovoked and just bring them all the way down. And that's what you did to your child's father. You don't care. Even if it means you bring down yourself in the process. Yeah, bring him down. You're gonna tell me say him used to him walk and eat pum pum like dog and him walk and this and him walk and but you did there with him for 12 years. Now are you him did a kiss? So all of the pum pum them and the body them where you say him lick out, you lick them out too because him was your man. You made kids. It couldn't be that you just do back with backers all the time, do good so. Only not kiss. It must have been loving. The way how you say him eat you out, girl, it must have been some compassionate love. It must have been some very compassionate love. And you felt the need to come and tell us. On social media where you know see a child can see and hear. You expect say your daughter gonna have no respect for you? What do you think your daughter feel hearing you? I said them something about her father and yourself. How you think she feel? The little girl a phone can use. People know how to make account, people. People know how to make account. Them do it all the while and can make account, people fake account and come on and hear people talk. How you think a child feel for you talk the things when you talk? Sometimes I say to myself, my God, I said that little girl is still in primary school, right? So that means that she younger, she can't more than 12 right now. She either 12 or younger. You see? Because the primary school pitney that most of them be at 13, very old, but mostly 12 and under primary school, right? And you have to tell me, say, how come you and your 12 and under child have the type of conversation them like abortion? When you pitney I tell us about the name that one you know, if you carry the one you, how your daughter can call you and I say, where you there, your man you. I don't know, it does sound very inappropriate, guys. I don't know if because of my culture, how I grow and something. I don't know. Get on means say people that have principle, guys, and standard. I know people living on the ghetto and them would never have that type of conversation with them child. Them child could never ever have that type of conversation. What type of conversation that for your child say to you say their money? That is so careless. That is so careless. Jesus Christ, if me old school, me as well me continue being old school. It's 60 more. You there your money yard. Are you there? You there your money yard. You know? Boy, me don't know. It does sound like something too big.
So people, let me know what you think because these people, them come say, yo, them are the series and ray, them are entertain everybody else, but deep down inside, me I talk about the Rosealee thing, seeing everybody I get entertained, but her needs and her wants, you just say her needs, her want, me don't know which way to put it, you know what I mean, now get met. Be a disappointment or something. You see me? And in life, let me tell you something. There are What put here now? You can't have everything you desire. You see me I say? You can't have everything. Enough people you see out there and them life look perfect, but under that, remember me tell us you pay turmoil and disappointment and all different type of foolishness. You see me I say? You can't have everything. Nobody have a perfect life. You hear me say? Nobody have the perfect life. You maybe live for your life a certain type of way you feel like say you're the worst, and a man who you drive past in a Benz or a next top car or whatever or having big house would have take for your life. You know what I mean? And give up for them. You see me? Remember me tell you now. You understand? So let me know what you think, me people. Make you watch some more.
Man on the talk say. You just not try to be a mother, none at all. None at all. You not try to just be a good mother. You know, just sit yourself. So, you know, me never did have a good the experience with my mother that I would have preferred. Let me try to create that possibility now with my kids then. You not try none at all, girl. You don't care about the PTA, you go everywhere, you go Mecca, you go a sis party, you go a pool party, you go everywhere. Rebel party will come up, I'm sure now you ever go there too. You go everywhere. You go everywhere except PTA. You go everywhere except school. To talk to the teachers about what is happening with your child. That's why you don't know what grade the little boy is in. That's why you don't know what grade he's in. That is not nice and that is not fair to kids. And anybody that will follow Rosealee and you support this type of behavior, you need to tell her the truth, and you're just as worthless and classless as her, because there's a classless side of the dirty side of Jamaica where parents don't show up at PTA. It's true. You have some dirty mama. You know, when we were little, we used to play one game called Dirty Mama, but in a real life, you have some dirty mama, you know, in a Jamaica. Them not go PTA, you know, and them are bring down the school. I feed them pitney, you always have the problem with. I feed them pitney are the bullies, and I feed them pitney are the this, and I feed them pitney are the that. In many cases. In many cases, because guess what, some of them, their kids are angry, the kids want their attention, and their kids are suffering. She don't know what class her child is in. That's what I mean. She does not know what class her son is in. She don't know, miss. She don't know what class he in, you know. See if I can find any digital footprint. Jesus Christ. All kind of things come up when you look for she, you know. Jesus God. Make sure I look for it. Yeah, but she doesn't know. There's a digital footprint where she don't have a clue. And the little girl affair tell her what class the little boy is in. She doesn't have a clue. She mixed it up. She said she doesn't know for grade 2 or for grade 1 or for grade. She doesn't know. Two separate digital footprints where she doesn't know, because she's not actively involved in the child's life. She's not actively involved. She thinks and functions like a worthless man. The worthless type of baby father them that we talk about, that's what she is. She behave like the worthless baby father them, will just give a little something and that is it. I them feel like them only contribution is money. But it's just on the flip side now, because it's a woman that is doing it, we are playing blind. Some of us as though we can't see it. Like we can't see it for what it is. You feel what I'm saying?
It's true. I came to know where you do. Know what you do, because the same thing will come bite you back in your ass. Know what you do. Rosealee is a wicked girl. Rosealee have no argument. You weren't there. The police them come. You see how people so cold? If Rosealee will come from where she call funeral and talk about say, I don't know anything they look for, and they can't plan things in here. Police come for look, them not come for plant. When them come for man, them plant. When them get a call, say gun there, so them not plant. Rosealee, you can't trick the app. I go to walk and I jump over for going in my house. Rosealee, you could have never tricked me. Never. You call the police. You call them. You might not use your own voice, you know. You make somebody to do it.
Boy! Come in, computer, come in fast. Now checks this. Yeah.
You say disappear. You see that, Mr. That. More you click on it plus sign where you see on my screen.
Alright.
Jake,
I'm mute still them. Mute still.
1 second.
I'll be a fuck in my chat.
Good evening, Jake. How are you?
What job in your face, sir?
Oh, our competition. Now watch that still. What you did have in a face last night?
What?
Oh, wow. Alright, let me drop that.
Yo, Jake, you're gone. Stewie, jump there, jump. That's our clear for you. Stewie, jump not to figure it out. I mean, I the man Jake's a man of friend. You must send me a request. You and him good?
Oh, figure it out. Because it's 7 days for your life and asking a request.
You're not answer.
If you must go back home and I'm asking a request.
This boy want come this in a Jake's dog.
Then us straight up.
If them man are scrap at him, I change my name to Pussy Clark. Me no name GX.
You.
No, I heard that my mama, he sent me a request for you.
Yeah, me see. Me and him my friend, me see.
Oh.
Yeah, me see.
But through figure it out.
Brother.
I mean, brother. Jake's no one deal with. I see my take out all that stress now per week.
Cheap, make him money cheap out now enough for that.
I regular day, but God, man. I regular day, man. Father, Bumbo Clark. We can't flag one, so. I'll put up something, because I look like, say,
Fancy. Big up, you have MVP. Ice Queen.
Alright, but people, want to tell me what you think in the comment section. Seeing this more talk to you about the people. Seeing, I don't know if you want to see the video with Annie and the youth, and Annie I tell the man to kiss her. You see me I say, and the man just give her a kiss on her jaw, because she has set round her mouth, you know, for the man kiss her on her mouth, and the man just kiss her on her jaw. You see me I say, so now me people, Annie I go say, she and the man not together, them not there. So it look like say she jump the guns, run come out, put out this youth here, and maybe I get some DMs about him, you know, like him have woman and them something there. Because me I tell you know what, from where they are, like the faces them where man make and the signs them where man make when him dep on the live, it looks suspicious to me. You see me I say, not more than the man have a woman already or something. You see me I say, why Annie come out, you know, and I say she and the man not together. So oh yeah, and the man not together, and you go tell the man say if he kiss you, seeing and I turn around your mouth for the man kiss you, and the man just and just kiss you on your jaw. You see me? Because on a level 2, you know, more people, remember say everybody I bring down and they say our mouth smell and whatever, you know. So no man now go want go kiss her on live, all when our mouth no smell. You see me? Because that's the narrative on TikTok right now. So let me know what you think. Me I go share that with you now.
Share. Big up. Celebrity image. But big up Akin Stewart. Big up.
From this to that. From this to that. From this to that. Elevation is an elevation. Lifestyle. What a change. Radam. What from this to that.
From this to that. Oh, you have to look back. Hey, bro, tell me the truth. What you do with this? Yeah, where you do with this?
I never said I was in a relationship with that man. I never said that. I'm a keeper and I go say. Sorry, you have to just laugh, sorry, and you and the man. Alright, the age-wise, he's 30 at ear hole. The man is 30 at ear hole. So I don't see a difference about age right there. And we see the sexy look by your face yesterday. Bro, what kind of sexy look you see on my face yesterday? Yesterday, pure blushing. Guys, I'm not gonna go this with you, you know. I'm not gonna go this with you because when me talk, nobody no listen to me. When me talk, nobody no listen. You understand? Yeah, I was smiling because a long time I don't see the person, me and the person used to link. So when you see me a smile or whatever, yeah, me and the person used to link. You get what me I say, that's me. It don't mean nothing. Are your man? No, he's not my man. Me keep on I say that this man is, oh God, he say he looks slow. No man, no.
Hey girl, it's all them people where you have a come talk about who they are Canada and Ray and Lola will come talk about this and talk about that. They will learn everything from now. They need to learn everything from now. You understand? Make sure everything start out from now, big waist girl. I'll show you something. Yeah, move like you have sense in a big food girl. I'm gonna show you something. Yeah, biggie that waist girl. I go and show you. Come here and chase me there now. No long cocky chasing. But I will just fix things the right way because you chat too much now, too long now, girl. Yeah? So make sure you can. Yeah, still. Make sure you have the money then. When you say you have, if you have a spend, make sure you have to spend it. Start spending from now. Yeah? Start spending your money from now. Big waist girl. Make sure you start spending from now. Before me reach. Make sure your money is spent. Yeah, big waist girl. Make sure you start spending that early. Yeah, make sure you tell the world, you know. You will spend your money, you know. You tell the world. You will spend your money. I will pay for Ufa, and pay for whatever, and pay for whatever. So here what you do for Shirley. Give them what them forget in case of anything. You hear that? Cause you have, still. Yeah, we don't give a fuck what we just have. People our business about them thing, think about them thing there. Our business about them thing, think about them thing there. Think about what's digital footprint. Who care, think about that. Hey guys, start spending money from now.
You're gonna love me so much, and I'm gonna.
One thing with me, you know. Let me tell you.
You can't calm down from man, you come over here, yeah.
You see when time. Don't calm down there, man. Don't calm down.
Just easy, no, man. Make you calm down for you.
You have to take your defeat and go sit down, man.
Yeah. Cause you lose out. But Chabas, she bird fighting for us. So what you say to me?
You have to see her.
Remember say I'm a woman, you know, Chabas. I'm here go forever love her.
Which woman no want you
Which woman is all?
move on.
Hold on, Chabas. Which woman is all pan?
Baby, calm down, no man. Jesus Christ, man.
Yo, man.
I'm go for start. I start. I'm go for Willie.
Blood clad woman ya.
Willie, if you give up now, cut.
The woman ya.
Woman, move on.
Yeah, bro. If you just make peace with him, bro, just go your happy way. I make sure you go for your happy way.
Yeah, brother. You just talk a Willie, man.
Baby, calm down, no, man. So, I'm in love to see how you're happy.
Willie, I'm not gonna make a jail or drop on your blood clad head. Cause I consider you not right, you know. Willie, you still a fight a losing battlefield.
Yo, if Willie did live near Diamond and
Fuck that question,
over here, go people, you know?
Diamond, is that a definitely no how you want to try hard?
Me don't want your back.
Fuck that.
Wow.
No,
Willie, let me tell you truth, Willie. I want to cool you, Willie. My advice, Willie, just move on, you. You understand?
Yeah, move.
Willie, me know you there stress yourself, Willie, because you see.
Willie, come here. Willie,
yeah.
I didn't go serious, you see. Your piece, I mean, I wanted that 20,000 millennium.
No, baby, yo, remember some
Willie, I'm on your real cover, Willie.
watch on the man, baby, stop all that. Remember some genuine love you, so nobody feel like say you not do that.
So then, I suppose money over
Willie,
here.
come here, between me and you, Willie. Come here between me and you. Me know don't know something to buy and sell, Willie.
What do you mean by?
Close.
Diamond.
Eh?
You over here lend 20,000 to man?
Me not lend the boy 20,000, the boy come back and tell me say me have this.
Willie, ungrateful. You're ungrateful, Willie.
Yeah, I'm grateful for you, Willie. You're fucking ungrateful. Me not pick up on yourself, Willie. That's ungrateful.
20,000 US.
And then you say, sister.
Diamond, you're not bill.
And part of my troubles, the boy come out black. I'm gonna walk with one bowl of bleach, his girlfriend go bleach him off.
Remember that, I fast. Somebody must take place. So.
Jabbat, without look like him pies, like them pies, but he just come out.
Then Jabbat, then sister boy could have do me so wicked and real help back at Chan. Me say, Willie, I don't give you a fuck and when you sleep and say, so, me just throw water in your mouth, kill you. Make you drown in your sleep.
You mean that?
What do you mean? Wicked dirty boy.
Alright. Go and do that.
You don't see the take work.
Then you go do that. You don't come do it then. That means you know mean. You know mean it.
So Willie, me ask you, you have it in your mind say you can get back Diamond.
You have it in your mind say me go come live back with you.
I remember say all fire tick not hard to catch back.
Which fire tick you have here, so Willie? Willie, which fire tick? Willie, remember when me I left you in there sleep, you know? I'm going to come a suitcase.
Alright.
Let me tell you my story.
One time. Let it go, Diamond. Let it go.
Yeah, me I listen to
When
you.
me I left the boy asleep.
Some people remember the screen recording when me share, just not even remember, the screen recording when me share earlier on. Seen, so the woman them from Canada are all over where them say them they are Ray about Jakes and this. So you see how them help Rosealee fi cause big problem pan her own self down here and them a go stay a foreign and hear say this and that happen Ray. Why when people start make money and start better off them life, why most of them turn to this badness where them want fun badness, them want push badness, them want this, them want that? Why them not full joy the money where them get? And that's why when some people broke and pauperize and don't have it, you know, only enough is sorry for them, you know, because them just a go turn a monster when them start make the money. Why Rosealee in a full joy her money where she never really have all her life? She just start make it, you know, and she a talk about she will spend her money and this and that. Yeah, and the man left. You left the man. Why you not make the man go on about him ways and you just enjoy your nice life? And that's why I tell you, my people, you have to be careful of your energy, you know. Yeah, man, careful, man, because them people, yeah, people will draw you out, you know, because for them life miserable, them want your life miserable, so them draw you out. You know what I mean? So, me know want to think, my people, this Diamond Willie situation, me personally feel like say if Diamond ever back with figure it out should I talk to Willie, you know what I mean, or entertain him certain way. You see me? But true, she back with him, you know, she can't make it look no way upon him, so she have to raise up Willie and deal with him how she a deal with him right now. So Willie make a mistake and he have to live with the consequences. Make me know what to think, make me watch some more.
How we reach a airport, the boy say, you really live and tell me, see, I say, come up from my phone drunk, and I come back.
That means she's serious, Willie. Any woman left her while they asleep, he now come back.
But you know, see the one killing in sleep, you could have let them sleep too.
Let me tell you what the boy do me. The boy put my suitcase in the hall and go lay down.
In the hall?
Yeah.
You have jobs in the living room.
You never want to live there, man.
Him not thinking about it, you know. But as him fuck him drop asleep, you know. Any girl can kill this year. Because I'm not piggy bone. Because as he, and he does not sleep on the
but me not give bone.
Sleep on the door?
Poop.
That's right. I pooping thing. You know, say, that man come back to the pooping game.
No, look at him. Normally people sleep on jabongi, you sleep on poop.
No, sir. Yo, that's what you. So, you bring a come here bring with them.
No, man.
Every call I turn you come. I bring down your heart, I bring down your target.
So why you can't make him love it?
For what?
Because I don't like when me cuss and fight.
Move on.
I understand you, but I still don't want me to live like a bad negative.
You're not going to live loving. Because you come over there,
let me tell you what I have.
I yourself about shop. You're only there to fix the shop.
Let me tell you what I have. It's man, bro.
Turn back from Western Union. You come up big and poor.
You no man sleep on poop.
You don't return back your car.
Our Western Union now work.
You don't return back your car.
No.
You come out and take post in this. And you can't pay for your part of it. You come out and take most in this. You hype up yourself out. And you not say they do nothing. Where they do?
You come out 1 hour after I cuss me for you, man. You're not going alone.
What you do, Willie? What you do? Willie, you don't stay. Willie, what you do?
I move on.
Willie, the man don't want to be good. Be good now, keep. I fuck me, stop my breast, I keep. Wow, with your big careless blood clot hood. He does big, I fuck out, you make you tired and buy her. I not behind it, no money, no. Where?
You're damn, man, I like that.
Yeah.
What again?
You're damn, I represent the summer wood man, you know, you get left.
But that's all, 3 pieces and cocky big one. Me don't have fuck me, stop my breast.
You know,
me stop my breast.
Me not going to do this with this man.
Leave.
Me don't want to tell them something. Tell them something.
Only if you come with a big good and blood clot pain, no behind it. I will put in the courier.
Calm down. Calm
down. And it's a boy
calm.
Big good and pain and liquor.
Calm down.
Hey, me talk, me mute you. Lock off in the chat while you listen up. Lock off, me talk. When you're in the chat, me say up. Me stay up on the screen. You come mix me up. When you come mix me say nothing. Me talk. Chabas, all the things that boy give you, a fuck and curry rice and crab. And any food. That's all. Nothing more in a blood clot give you.
Oh. And you buy 2 bits of cheap up one time.
I'm here, me go and go a Walmart.
Jesus.
Hey, me talk. When you talk, when you talk, when you talk, when you talk, me never distract you.
Yeah.
Over 1 blood clot here. I'm going to take you out of jail. Can me go a blood clot arm? Where the place? Me never Walmart. And buy 1 blood clot blouse. Give me arm Chabas with Winnie the Pooh on it.
Yeah.
One more and people and Pumba Winnie the blood clot Pooh. I want to look at your blouse.
I can't do take your man for.
Yeah.
I have left. Easy no man. Chop. Yo,
hey, let me talk. Because when you come and scream, I myself, I'm in a settle, you know. I make you talk.
True.
Call my use and then take in the gun.
Lord, the woman making talk. Hey boy, eat boss, man, this man. Go ahead, go on.
I know you saw me.
Nobody stop this sister girl.
When I went up and screaming gauge, and they talk about me, no, me fuck your salt hole for.
It will all time the woman.
Fuck your salt hole.
All time man. It will all time the true man.
Diamond, watch out. Diamond.
Yo, Diamond, come and go and say,
Diamond.
No, me not beg, I go.
Diamond.
Me play 1 chat.
Yeah.
One.
Me never want the business.
Alright. I really love him for that 5 minutes and type of way.
Why you Willie? Willie me well want see you.
I'm casting something.
Willie me that plan. Listen, come here. Me that plan with some show you out here now. Cause me say Willie, as you come to the airport, me have 6 bags of meat out your blood clot me money.
Chat first if you go.
See me never want chumps show you out. Chumps like chumps.
Have one galaxy, Carol. Have my back.
Thank you, baby. Triple chat.
Jesus.
Mr. I have to come like chumps to me rat.
Whoa.
Daima. Him feel left you make you vent, Daima. Cow never know until I be telling.
Daima, he's so come and worry.
If I know him, I don't want him cuss over blood clot me. Because listen now, him pave the way over there.
People, Willie fumble Daima and him realize him fumble Daima, you know what I mean? And now him want her back. Boy, a different man have it, you know what I mean? A real nigga have it right now, my dog. So, he have to just leave it at that, you see me?
But the shit in the bucket boy come past in place, isn't he?
Me not like him. Me not like him. I don't like him.
I don't like him either. 2 hours of the par.
Yeah, 2 hours chat. Willie, why you call Daima, sir?
I'm Daima. Me see me last night, I'm the party, I say, yo, Daima, use on
Oh, no, come here, no friend. You need to put the salt and the Guinness bucket and the 200 tag along.
Yo,
yeah, you really better, Willie. Me I tell you the truth.
Baby, calm down, no man.
Jesus Christ.
Please, no man. Shabbos.
Make your man talk, man. You're too out order.
Yeah. Out order is a go on with, man. Daima,
you know the woman hold us side. You should do it, man.
Yeah, and a heal, woman a heal, brother. Let the lady heal in peace. Come like you want. Wide not or cut more.
Yeah, man. Two of them, man.
Chat, beg on Anad, please.
Chat, 8. One Anad, chat. Thanks.
One
Anad, please.
One Anad, chat. One Anad.
People over here, them, bro.
One Anad, chat.
That one Anad.
2,000 other uno over here, I can't get nothing. That's why I'm telling me they leave your stuff.
Them are 3.4 over here, I don't get nothing.
You can't take the crowd.
3.2 over here, I don't get nothing though. What you have over there, Willie?
50.
Jabba salute.
Triple chat.
Chat, nobody over here can't make something. A people business don't come very soon, so no?
Somebody making something up. Chat, don't make something on top of the rampage.
Alright, anything you want to say?
Tanisha, chat, come. Oh, God, I'm mad.
Thank you, yeah.
Bro, what is this, bro? What is this? One wheel or something, man?
Somebody can't make something?
I'm Carol. Carol, I don't get save me right now. Carol, please, Father God, make Carol find one more wheel, God. Do me a bigger, God. Make Carol find one next wheel. Do.
Willie, me try if you win one match, if you impress Daima, make Daima.
Yeah, you go back to you're not do nothing. You're not do nothing, dog. You're not do nothing on your face.
No, but Willie, Daima, my sister, and she.
I flex. You man say no, thank you, yeah, man. No, man, I flex good, man.
That use the triple now.
What do you mean? I want Daima see him here, man.
I know you know say me I want Daima.
Daima, easy yourself, man. Me no argument today.
I have flex.
Me no argument today.
I have flex. Oh God, punish him. You know the boy got jail for Valentine's Day and come up back for the Valentine's Day cut next year.
Yo, see that? Calm down.
I know say the blood club boy I mean at the house for Valentine's Day I have flex. But after eat really, you know, Willie me appear to more Wally and bust the head of the shit bucket. You don't know what say? Now the boy there in that house, but I'm wrong. You know the boy had beat me on my jump stick. When we come over my face, I say
Willie, wicked Willie. A wickedness that. Fucking wicked.
Yo.
These woman are jump stick.
So, what
Mr. Willie, oh, Mr. That me ear now, you drop off at the bed.
Daima, feel no man.
And then you swear me and him cut, I have flex. And me give me at what them aim, that's why me thumping your ribs when you went drunk.
Oh, you finally confess.
And me if you come back to you, you see the one night when I left up there, where you try to go over man, you better wrap it to that present.
Ziggy tell if you go over man, look quite Daima.
Christmas come, you pull it out.
Ziggy tell if you go over man, so, like man, Ziggy can't order.
Daima, you just, John was that. Is that right?
Ziggy just tell if you go over man,
Ziggy need to go over man for your foot when you can't walk good one.
Chat, big up on the set. John.
And Ziggy, I walk with 9 nights in a theme pants, you know. And the only boy I see walk with them, he had right round here.
That's true. You see why two man go to the side with that?
Let me not tell you, can't be like that even a theme pants.
Big ol' alright.
I my influence.
See, pants front, I go check bright light for your funeral service. That one.
Big ol' R.I.P. my work with, man.
Big ol' R.I.P. You want to check bright light?
Willie, you know say Diamond go happy for you when she see you move on and find somebody nice?
Look here, not that make Willie clown now. Willie, I want tough woman when see a woman. You know, I'm more fuss over here, you know. Walk us shot, let me go on.
Diamond, I thought you tough, man.
Chabas, let me go on, I'm more boss up.
Diamond, no, man. Look, I come for Corey's video, you know.
Let's play one more. Come, Chabas, come here, I go somewhere.
Chat, you know, can't tell about the scheme and they're gonna something chat.
Diamond. How are you doing?
We are coming in for the first blood clot thing. Me be here, boy. Me be here to have your fuck me.
Stop, tell the people.
Really? Are you fuck me and not tell me your name? Hey, me have to wait till I got blood clot jail every time. Oh God, come here now.
First shipper.
This a boy. Not tell me name. Oh God, good God, tell him a jail. Let's see every blood clot they call me. Call him from correctional center. Who is on the phone? You have to repeat his name 1 year straight and the ears, oh God, good.
So, Diamond, before you go to jail, you never know your name?
That first
ship. I name job here like me work with. I work at birth certificate office. I work with government. Anything when the boy say name and eat me that I work with.
Shut over here not for top of the scheme and them up there.
I don't want to give the name. I don't want every day I have the same name.
Jesus Christ,
man. Move your dirty blood clot and go in. Gone to. Catch a back with me over here, me gone to. Me can't get two wheel. I wanna content buggy really a child. Really a blood clot wicked, you don't know how that. Look here now, me don't feel like answer me there. Maybe I'm hungry. I don't feel like leg on my mouth. I be a crowd away and I can't move for number 10 all now. Hey, you don't know. Hey. I know I can't move for number 10. I saw you did stay at 2000, you know? No, me no fuck back X. So nobody can tell me about no chance. I rather make a new boy use and abuse me. Me no fuck back X. Me only tell him I am by. That's all me tell X. Me no fuck back X. I rather make a new boy use me and abuse me if you got more than fuck back a X. I am by. You no can't tell me what to do. You no tell me what to do. You no know nothing about me. Me no fuck X. Me just talk to him and tell him I am by. That's it. Me just tell X I am by. Me no fuck back X. Big one. Me can't get one wheel here, so. Bumbaras clock, man. Much over move here, me can't move on 10. And those a crowd, me stand nothing behind the crowd. No, man, me left, me go on. Me can't get two way before me go and chat. When you can't put me a number, all that dirty woman and stop and spam down my place, man. If you are going to give him a chance, I'm going to send you a lion. Money boss, take your lion, you see? And should be right up your blood clot ass. And when I should be up your ass, I bend over and look in your glass and make you roar in your body hole. Not sorry for me. Go suck your mama with the lion and move your blood clot and leave my place. You're fucking bright. Just think of shit no blood clot. What if I give him back a lion? Take your lion and show me far up your ass and bend over and look in the glass and make you roar in your body hole. But give lion. Me look like me hungry for lion. Dirty man come turn me upside. Hey, me more bust up when me drink, you know. Oh.